distant time and faraway place, the planet of New Texas floats deep in space. Sky of 3 suns, land of precious ore. The Carrium Rush brought outlaws by the score. And one day, a lawman appeared, with powers of hawk, wolf, puma, and bear. Protector of peace, mystic man from afar, champion of justice, martial brave star. Brave star.
Eyes of the hawk, ears of the wolf. Brave star.
Brave star.
Strength of the bear, speed of the puma. Brave star.
Brave star.
Welcome back to Slade on Slade. Today we're going to be doing Ramontoys 3030. Now, I was lucky enough to get a chance to chit-chat with Ace. Sent him an email, text message, whatever you want to call it, and he replied back to me. I had a question about a different product, and we got to chit-chatting about this. I sent him a bunch of photos. I told him how excited I was to have this figure, and he's a great guy. You ever get a chance to talk to him, I'm telling you, he's a good guy. He's like as if he ever spoke to Bobby Valerie. He's one of those people who just, he's one of us. He's somebody you can chit-chat with. So he's definitely a good guy, and he's putting out a lot of great products so far, and it's got the General Lee coming out with the 3-pack of figures. Very excited about that. Here we go. 2 large stands. I'll photograph that so you can see it well. That's your little instructions. Little artwork right there. Let's see what's in the 3030 box. We have an alternate head portrait. We have his, I guess you would call it a shotgun. We have holster. We have his hammer / pickaxe. And last but not least, we got a bunch of hands. Let's see how many hands we got here. He's got 2 on the body. This is 4, 8, 12, 16. 16 different hands. He's got your trigger figure hands. He's got your holding hands. He's got the I'm going to grab you hands. He's got the I'm reaching for something hands. Another trigger fan. And then come equipped with fisted hands. I'm not trying to be indelicate when I throw the stuff off to the side. Oh, wow, this is right out of the package. Absolutely smooth. We got double jointed elbows, multiple knees, ratchet joints for the hooves. I love a ratchet joint. I really do. It makes me feel more secure when he's on the shelf without a stand, because I got a 4 and a 6-year-old, so they run through the office a lot, and things have a tendency to shake, and toys like to jump off the shelf. So, all right. You can look all the way up. Well, I got Superman figures from McFarlane that cannot look all the way up. Look how much hair, and well, it's not really hair, it's a mane, but he can look all the way up. He can literally strike the Superman pose. Take that, Todd McFarlane. What are you doing? Todd, what are you doing? Okay, it's Superman. He has to be able to look up. You're a knob for not doing that. Ace, you're a hero for doing this. This is good. I like that. I don't care what figure it is. I want them to be able to look up. I can understand if a figure doesn't have the ability to look up because it's got a lot of hair, but this hair comes in 2 different pieces. So it allows for a range of movement, and it's on its own. I wouldn't say it's a ball joint. It's on kind of like a it's the way it's attached. It's not a hinge. It's just stuck in, but it gives the range of motion. So you can look all the way up. You can put the hair all the way up, and while it's in the all the way up position, you could still move it like that. See if you can get in close so I can show you what I'm talking about. This right here gives it the ability to look all the way up. You know how many Superman action figures I have from McFarlane that I love, but it does not get the perfect rating because it can't look up. Look at this. Look at the range of motion. He can look as far down as he physically could in real life. His joints are smooth. Oops, pulled that off. Put that right back on. Because of his shoulder plates, it's as far as out as he'll be able to move when it comes to that. A little more, but you're going to stress it. And the fact that this isn't a karate action figure. This isn't somebody who's going to be getting into all those crazy. Oh, he'll definitely be able to ninja kick you. Wow, imagine being ninja kicked by this guy. That is absolutely crazy. There we go. This thing just plugs right in. Right back in, just to show you that it did not break. I'm going to be able to get some great photographs with this. Look at that. Right off the bat, without playing with them. Not falling over. This is a sturdy figure. Well, I really hit the table pretty hard that time, though. This is a sturdy figure. Look at that. One leg up, one leg back. And this isn't even, this is kind of a wobbly table. No, it's not really that wobbly, but tail's got a good range of motion all the way around, 360. His head can look left and right. Let's see how easily the hands come off. Buttery smooth. Oh my gosh, this is great. I know this was $130 and a little more out of the price range for, you know, a figure that isn't coming equipped with like 50 items like the Maestro Union Demon, or but it's still worth the price. It's still worth the price. Hey, I mean, who else is doing Brave Star figures, right? So here we go. Let's get the weapon open. He's got his little, I wouldn't call it a mask, but I guess it's glasses. To make up for the video quality not being great, we're going to make sure I have a lot of photographs at the end. There we go. My stand blocks the majority of my screen, so I can't really tell if you guys can see that. I like that, though. It's nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and take that off. His rifle has only one way you could put it together because it's on a D slot. There we go. There we go. Look at that, huh? Get the other. I really do like the ratchet joints. Shit. There we go. Yeah, he looks like he stepped right out of the cartoon. Now, he can't strike a lot of dramatic poses because he's got a little bit limited range of motion, but he is a big, bulky figure. Okay, he's got, you know, he's got thickness to him. But you're still going to be able to strike some cool one-handed poses. And a guy this big, I can't see him having a problem with a bigger rifle. It's not like he's going to shoot it back and break his wrist right off the bat. Like I said, he's got two stands. I don't know why he would have. You know, this is a stand for him. This is a stand for a normal figure. Yeah, this is a stand for your regular 1/12 size because of the pegs. And this is the pegs that fit him. So I'm not 100% sure why this is in here. But, yeah, I'm not going to complain about it. You know what I'm saying? It's nice. Maybe Brave Star doesn't have a stand, and that's how he made up for it. All right, here we go. I'll be able to show you better right here. So this is how his head is made up. Shit. So I'm doing my best. Just leave a little hole back in there. But the hairs, it's so soft. It's great. And it's not like a super, super bright white. It's got a tiny bit of a wash in it. So it looks like it's clean enough to have been out of the shower, but you know, clearly you could tell he wasn't just born. So you got the smiling face, okay, and then you got the grimace face. Again, you got the little pickaxes. Then you got his holster and ammo belt. Ammo pouches. I said ammo belt. You know. I'm not 100% sure where these go. All right, wait. All right, so this is for the shotgun. Okay, so the shotgun's supposed to be broken down. He wears this over his shoulders. So this is for the muzzle. There we go. Maybe if I read the directions a little earlier, I wouldn't have looked foolish. These just slide right up under his belt. I hate those kids so much. So it goes like that. And this is where the muzzle goes. This is where the rest of the shotgun goes. Then you got your ammo pouches. This is nice. This is clean. Okay, well, hey, thanks for watching Slade on Slade. Please, if you enjoyed the video and I've earned your like, I would appreciate that. Any comment, you could leave your grocery list. Anything written down there helps the channel grow. We are almost at 500. I thank everybody who is watching this, taking the time to have subscribed, even those who have subscribed and don't come back. Talking to you, Don. That's one of my closest friends out there. He was like, I'll give you a subscription, but I don't like toys. So I appreciate the this and that when it comes to it. After this, you're going to have a whole slew of great photos on there. Hope you have a great day or night whenever you watch this. Like I said, any improvement I can do, please feel free to leave it in the comments. Hope you have an amazing day or night.
Brave Star, Brave Star.
In a distant time and faraway place, the planet of New Texas floats deep in space. Sky of 3 suns, land of precious ore. The Carrium Rush brought outlaws by the score. And one day, a lawman appeared, with powers of Pop, Wolf, Puma, and Bear. Protector of peace, mystic man from afar, champion of justice, Marshal Brave Star. Brave Star!